We're gonna open up 2 packs. Found these in a vending machine, and I think if you just carry them loosely, they might turn into PSA 6s. So let's just open it real quick. Make a little shot there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, psychic. Chin Chow, something something. Right on. Okay. We got. The reverse. Oh, okay, so this is the reverse. Ooh, look at cute little Slow King. All right, Slow King, come on, rain dance, and boom, baby, Chin Chow. Okay, Lucario EX. Okay, there we go, baby. Second pack. Or should I give it a good luck kiss? Here we go. You know what? That was just a warm up. Now watch this, guys. All right. You want a Lapras? I'll think about it. Rodon. Was that Oshawott? Did I miss? I missed an Oshawott. Okay, here we go. Boom, bang, zoom.